today we're gonna be cleaning my laptop today. So let me show you my laptop. This is my HP laptop, guys. Nice and brand new out of the box. See a Chromebook. HP Chromebook. So I'll take you to the steps. And by the way, guys, I'm Mark the Wolf. So see you on the next slide. Alright, guys. Number 1 step. Get a paper towel a little wet. Number 2 step. Open the Chromebook. Number 3 step. Clean the computer like I did. Look, it's all freaking clean. See, look. It's all clean. Number 3 step. Wipe down the computer with the screen's at. Wipe it down. Wipe it down till it's good. See, look. Wipe it down till it's good. And just keep wipe it down. Just keep wiping it down. Just keep wiping it down. See you on the next slide, guys. And guys, that's how you clean an HP computer. Hope you subscribe. Again, I'm Mark the Wolf, so hope you subscribe to my channel. Bye, guys.